Hey friends, I'm Dr. Balaram Dhotre, a nutritionist, researcher, and the author of Unraveling the Root Cause of Chronic Diseases. Diseases like heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and high cholesterol are all chronic diseases. And guess what? They are often linked to nutrient deficiencies, especially deficiencies in essential vitamins. Today, I'll be discussing an essential vitamin, folic acid, also known as vitamin B9. It's vital for many critical functions in the body, and its deficiency can have a serious impact on your health. Let's dive into why folic acid is so important and how it affects your well-being. The title of the video is Vitamin B9 Deficiency Affecting Your Health? Find out now. Let's start the discussion. What is folic acid? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is folic acid? Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays an essential role in the body. It's critical for producing and repairing DNA, which means it helps with cell growth and development. This makes it especially important during periods of rapid growth, like pregnancy, infancy, and adolescence. In addition, folic acid is involved in creating red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Without enough folic acid, your body can't function optimally. What makes folic acid so unique is that it supports the processes that are at the very foundation of life. It ensures that every cell in your body has the instructions and tools it needs to work efficiently. Without this crucial vitamin, the body begins to break down at a cellular level, leading to deficiencies that can cause widespread dysfunction. Symptoms of folic acid deficiency. Now, let's talk about what happens when your body doesn't get enough folic acid. The symptoms of deficiency can vary, but they often include fatigue and weakness. This is because your body struggles to produce healthy red blood cells, leading to anemia. You may also notice difficulty concentrating or increased irritability. This happens because folic acid plays a role in brain function. Digestive problems like nausea or unexplained weight loss are another sign, as well as mouth sores and a swollen tongue, which can make eating uncomfortable. For pregnant women, the risks are even more serious. A lack of folic acid can lead to neural tube defects in the developing baby, such as spina bifida. These are just a few examples of how this vitamin impacts your health. Deficiencies in folic acid don't just affect one aspect of your health, they create a ripple effect. From your blood cells to your brain, your digestive system, and even fetal development, every system depends on this vitamin to function properly. That's why addressing a deficiency is so critical to overall health and well-being. Now let us look into the causes of folic acid deficiency. What causes folic acid deficiency? The most common reason is a diet that's low in folate-rich foods, such as leafy greens, beans, and fortified cereals. Certain health conditions, like Crohn's disease or celiac disease, can also interfere with your body's ability to absorb folate. Alcohol is another culprit. It not only depletes folic acid, but also affects how your body processes it. Additionally, some medications, like anti-seizure drugs, can reduce folic acid levels. If you fall into any of these categories, it's important to be proactive about maintaining healthy folic acid levels. Foods rich in folic acid and daily requirements. Now, how can you prevent folic acid deficiency? It starts with your diet. Some of the best sources of folic acid include leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, as well as legumes such as lentils and chickpeas. Citrus fruits like oranges are another great option. along with fortified cereals and bread. Adults need about 400 micrograms of folic acid daily. Pregnant women require even more, around 600 micrograms, to support the healthy development of their baby. By including these foods in your meals, you can ensure your body gets the folic acid it needs to function properly. Conclusion: folic acid is a small vitamin with a big impact. It's essential for cell growth, brain function, and red blood cell production. Without it, your body faces a range of challenges, from fatigue and anemia to more serious health complications. If you want to stay healthy and avoid these problems, make sure you are getting enough folic acid in your diet. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of why folic acid is so important. If you'd like to dive deeper into the role of vitamins and nutrient deficiencies in chronic diseases, check out my book, Unraveling the Root Cause of Chronic Diseases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into your health. See you next time.